Hey everybody, Steve, KI4KWR here with my Go Kit. You guys gave us your responses and I put it in the box. So let's take a look. For the power supply, we went with a Samlex SEC-1235M with the meters. The radio, the Icom Ic-7100, which of course is HF, VHF, and UHF. Paired it with an LDG IT100 auto tuner. That way it makes it easy to tune up since they work with each other. And even threw in a drawer. You can put your microphone in here, a dipole, coax. Heck, look at that. I even got my little VHF, UHF mag mount. Gets me on the air in an emergency. My Go Kit, guys. 73.